Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. If you're on the hunt for the perfect hands-free solution while driving, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of the best car phone holder magnetic, exploring the top contenders to keep your phone secure and accessible on the go. Let's find your ideal match. Number 1. Mirase Magnetic Phone Holder. Revolutionize your drive. Automobile Dizzy. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to effortless driving with the Mirase Magnetic Phone Holder. This sleek gadget is a game changer for car enthusiasts. Its magnetic grip ensures your phone stays securely in place, allowing you to navigate, talk, and jam to your favorite tunes hands-free. The strong magnets guarantee your phone won't budge, even on the roughest terrains. Plus, its 360-degree rotation feature lets you find the perfect viewing angle. Installation? A breeze. Just attach, and you're ready to roll. Elevate your driving experience with Mirase, where innovation meets convenience. Number 2. ESR introduces a game changer, the magnetic phone holder, designed exclusively for your car. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone while driving and hello to seamless, hands-free navigation. This sleek, magnetic marvel boasts a powerful grip, keeping your phone securely in place even on the bumpiest rides. Its intuitive design allows for effortless installation and 360-degree rotation, ensuring the perfect viewing angle every time. Crafted with premium materials, it's not only functional but also stylish, complementing your car's interior. ESR's magnetic phone holder is the epitome of convenience and safety, making every drive a pleasure. Upgrade your driving experience today. Number 3. Leasin Magnetic Phone Holder, the ultimate game changer for your car. Automobile. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone while driving and hello to seamless, hands-free navigation. This sleek marvel combines form and function flawlessly, securing your phone with magnetic precision. Its robust grip ensures your device stays in place, even on the bumpiest rides. Installation is a breeze, instantly transforming your car into a tech-savvy haven. Designed exclusively for cars, this holder oozes sophistication, complementing your vehicle's interior effortlessly. Experience a new level of convenience and safety on the road. Upgrade your driving experience with Leasin, because your phone deserves nothing but the best. Number 4. Vixseed's revolutionary magnetic phone holder, the ultimate car accessory that will redefine your driving experience. This sleek and sturdy phone holder is specifically designed for your car, ensuring a secure grip for your device while you hit the road. Say goodbye to distractions and fumbling around. Vixseed's magnetic phone holder keeps your smartphone within easy reach and your eyes on the road. Its powerful magnet guarantees a firm hold, even on bumpy rides. Installation is a breeze, and the 360-degree rotation feature allows you to find the perfect viewing angle. Crafted with premium materials, this holder combines style with functionality. Upgrade your driving setup with Vixseed's magnetic phone holder. Your road trips will never be the same again. Drive safely, drive smartly. Number 5. TWWO's revolutionary magnetic phone holder, designed with absolute perfection for your car. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone while driving. This sleek and sturdy holder boasts powerful magnets, ensuring your device stays securely in place even on the bumpiest rides. Its 360-degree rotation feature offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle effortlessly. Installation is a breeze, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals on the go. Crafted with high-quality materials, it guarantees durability and longevity. Experience ultimate convenience and safety with TWWO's magnetic phone holder, the must-have accessory for every car enthusiast. Elevate your driving experience today. In conclusion, Choosing the best car phone holder is crucial for a seamless driving experience, and magnetic holders offer unparalleled convenience and stability. We've explored the top options, considering your safety, ease of use, and durability. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you find the perfect magnetic car phone holder to enhance your on-the-road adventures.